These pearls sell for over $20,000, harvested from living oysters, traded across borders, and treated as wildlife products. In at least 17 countries, importing pearls like these can result in seizure, fines, or rejection at the border. This is the hidden cost of Mikimoto pearls. Mikimoto pearls are not just jewelry. They are classified as marine animal products. That changes everything. In many countries, pearls require wildlife import permits, proof of legal aquaculture, species documentation, customs pre-clearance. Without this paperwork, pearls are treated as restricted wildlife goods. Countries with strict pearl import restrictions include United States, European Union, multiple member states, United Kingdom, Japan, Australia, China, Hong Kong, Taiwan, India, Singapore, Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand, Philippines, United Arab Emirates, South Africa, Brazil. In these countries, pearls can be delayed, rejected, seized, or denied entry, unless strict wildlife and customs rules are met. For most travelers, collectors, and resellers, that functions as a ban.
The scans are clear on this batch.
Wait, check the alerts coming through on A4.
We need to hold that container for inspection immediately.
Pearls come from living animals. Oysters are protected marine species in many regions. Over-harvesting once devastated natural pearl populations. Governments now regulate pearls the same way they regulate coral, shell, ivory, exotic leather. Luxury status does not override environmental law. Mikimoto survives these restrictions for one reason: controlled aquaculture, certified supply chains, documented species, traceable origin. This paperwork is expensive. The process is slow, and most pearl producers cannot comply. That scarcity becomes value.
We need to adjust the coordination scale for the next quarter based on this data.
This is why Mikimoto pearls cost more than diamonds. You're not just buying jewelry, you're buying legality, access, permission. Most people will never legally transport pearls like these across borders. These pearls aren't illegal everywhere, but in much of the world, they might as well be. Luxury is not just beauty, it's regulation, restriction, and control. This is the hidden cost of Mikimoto pearls. Would you choose Mikimoto over every other luxury jewelry brand, knowing what it takes just to exist? Or does the hidden cost make it less desirable or more powerful? Let me know what you think in the comments. And if you want more stories about the price, power, and consequences behind luxury, like, subscribe, and stay with us.